This video is about how to schedule for next school year. To start, go to the North Hills School District website at www.nhsd.net, hover over the Parents tab, and click on the Program of Studies option in the drop-down box. Once you do that, a new page will open. Within this page, make sure you're selecting the high school program of studies, not the middle school program of studies. And once you do so, the program of studies will actually open up. Once this opens, I suggest you peruse through and pick the classes that you would like. Write those down so you have a list of classes that you want to take for the next year. In order to put your course requests in, you would then go back to the main North Hills School District website, hover over Parents, wait for the drop-down box, and this time click PowerSchool. It opens a new page where you can click on Access the Student and Parent Portal, which will take you directly to the PowerSchool login page. Once you've logged in, you will see your normal page with your grades and your classes, etc. However, if we zoom over to the left-hand side, there are some other buttons. One of those buttons is Class Registration. If you click the Class Registration button, it opens a new page. You'll notice there are different departments listed here. Some things are required and some things are electives. So there's a 9th grade English requirement or 9th grade Social Studies requirement, etc. So if you click on the box to the right, it's a little pencil in a tiny square for each of those different departmental areas. It will open a new box. Once you're in that box, that's all the classes for that section. You go through and check off the ones you want. You do that by putting a check mark, by clicking the box next to the name of the class on the left-hand side where the arrow is pointing. Make sure you're also viewing the multiple tabs at the bottom. This, for example, has 9 pages, so make sure you're reviewing all of those. Once you've finished in this section, you go ahead and click OK at the right-hand side. This will take you back to the main page there where you have to pick all the different options. So then you would go down then maybe to your next option, the 9th grade Social Studies requirement, where you would select the box on the right with the pencil in it. It again opens the screen. You continue doing this all the way through until you've done everything you need to do, and you scroll down to the bottom of the page. You make sure you have the required credits, so you make sure you have between 7 and 8 credits, and then you can go ahead and hit the Submit button in the bottom right-hand corner. This is due within a week after you receive, or after curriculum night. If you have any questions, stop in the CRC.